Welcome to Tapforms Pro. Today we're going to learn about the template library. To get access to the template library, go over to the plus button and click Template Library. The template library appears and you see there's a whole bunch of categories here: business, education, employment, health, personal, hobbies, project sales, and travel. Each of these categories contains a number of forms that you can import into your databases without having to do any work. For example, if I wanted to import the software issues tracker form, I can click on it here, and then I can see what fields are contained within that form and some searches, and then I can just click on import form. Close the window here, and now I can see here's the software issues tracker. It's an extensive form with all kinds of fields, including pick lists for all kinds of categorization of software issues that might happen, OS platforms, what hardware is being used, and also it comes with an extensive list of built-in saved searches that you can use to filter your records. That's just one example. Other examples might be something simple like, or maybe not so simple, like the sales invoices one. If you are keeping track of sales, click this import form button, and it will show you all of these three forms, and a new category gets created too for you. So you can click on sales invoices, for example, and then select a record that's in here, and it even has a couple of custom layout templates for you to use. And that's pretty much what the template library is all about. If you have any forms you'd like to see added to the template library, please send an email to support@tapforms.com.